Okay, so we just finished a very important part on this pool. We did the excavation yesterday. Today is the day that we do the forms and steel. First part of the process, we take the measurements to know exactly where the pool is going based off the plans. We use all the lasers, all the levers that we need to make sure that the pool is at the right location and we build right. They started laying out the rebar, the wood, the 2x4s, okay? In front of this, it's gonna go the steel tacks and the rebar. After this part, we're calling for inspection, pass all the inspections, we move it over to the next step, which is the concrete. Here, today we are at the Gunite phase. After the forms and steel, we go through the inspection pass, we go and move on to the Gunite, okay? Basically, the Gunite gets spread out into the form. As you guys can see it, we're getting close to the end. We're getting close to finish the structure. They're already forming it, making it even. And then now we backfill it and move it over to the plumbing phase. Perfect, so we just finished the Gunite phase and then we move it over to the next step, which is the plumbing. We do the perimeter plumbing around the pool that goes all the way over here. This is the main fold, which later on will be cut and then elbowed in for the equipment. We also do the underground electrical, so all the electrical conduits for the lights go in at this phase. Next step, we will backfill this hole and make room for the deck. Since our last visit, the tile was done, okay? We actually tile done. We install the sheared sand over here. All the plumbing is already connected. We also did the equipment install, pump, filter, and heater. Next step over here, it's going to be the electrical. So the electrician is gonna run from the main panel, a sub panel here, so we can control all the electrical features of the pool. Now that we finished the coping and tile, we move it over to the deck, okay? The guys are laying the deck. This is a porcelain deck, so each piece is set individually. You have to do a concrete base on the bottom and then apply those tiles with thin set and grout in between. So as you can see, we're moving along. Guys are setting over there now, so it should be done pretty soon. And this is the final review.